it's Noe with WTI. If you've ever wanted to take a glass bottle with you, but have been worried about it breaking, well, fear no more. This amazing wine travel bag from Liquid Spectrum has you covered. This bottle shield bag can protect more than just wine. It's double protected. It has an insert that you can pull out and put over your glass bottle before placing it back in. The closing mechanism is also a really neat feature. It not only ziplocks in place, but then it folds over and is protected by Velcro. I love that if there was a break, that it would be contained in this bag, whether it's in the car or in your luggage. If you're flying, you can have peace of mind while traveling that it will not break. I recently traveled and put it in my bag. I was fully confident that it would not break, and it didn't. These bags are reusable, which is also another neat feature. I was able to fit a normal sized wine bottle and also a slightly oversized wine bottle. I was also able to fit different sizes of bottles in this bag. So if you're looking for a little peace of mind while traveling and want to take your favorite drinks with you, then I highly recommend this bottle shield wine travel bag from Liquid Spectrum. And that's my point of view.